The Corning Videodrop is very easy to use. The process requires only a few simple steps. First, we take the sample, 5 to 10 microliters, and deposit it directly into the Videodrop consumable. Place the loaded sample holder onto the Videodrop instrument, lower the protective shield, and raise the sample to the camera lens. The Corning QVR software presents concentration, tracks Brownian motion, and detects the size of nanoparticles. Clean with a lint-free wipe infused with approved detergents.